Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Shark Easy Robot. It's a self-emptying robot. It says here bagless, self-empties into this base here. So it'll go through, it'll vacuum. It doesn't do like the quote-unquote standard robot. I don't know if you guys have seen my other video or review of a different type of smart vacuum, but this is kind of what the other one does. This is what this new one does. It goes in a pattern, it maps out everything. This can be used with smart devices. It says more suction on floors and carpets. So let's just kind of see what's in it. Go. Looks like there's a base there. A telephone number to call in case of issues. Just an owner's guide. We'll go through the basics of that in a little bit. Quick start guide. I'm probably gonna have to use this. Piece of cardboard. Not sure what that's for. An actual unit itself. Over there. A couple of bristles are in there. Toss it over there. Looks like we got a charging station. And I guess that's about it. That's inside of the box. Looks like it's got a power switch on the bottom there. Turn this off and on. I'm not exactly sure what all this is for. Oh, okay. I guess, yeah, actually I have to read that. Kind of see what's going on, but I'm guessing it'll empty into this. And there's a button right here to open up the bottom there. Throw that in the trash. It's kind of cool. It's convenient. Looks like it has a camera on the top there. It's kind of interesting. This is what the bottom looks like. Guessing this is where those little bristles clip in. There's a spot to download the app. Probably gonna have to do that. Let's see. So I turn the switch on. Okay. Now let's just see what happens when I push clean.
Hello.
Ooh. Okay. Oh, hey, look at it go. Might not be the best idea. Do on the counter. Let's see how smart it is. Oh god. Well, it hasn't fallen off the counter, at least. The batteries are kind of low. Apparently, if you pick it up off the ground, it'll stop.
My battery is low. Please recharge me. Error number 24.
Oh, okay. Apparently, the battery is too low, so it can't do much. Let's just plug this in over here. And see how well it figures out how to get back. What is it doing?
My battery.
See if we can figure it out. Well, I'm just gonna stop it right there and that's how it's supposed to dock. Oh, it does not want to dock apparently. So right there, that's charging. I'll just end the video here. First impressions, I would imagine it Whoa. Oh, I think it's trying to empty itself right now. It shouldn't really have anything in there. So you hear like the vacuum part kicking on. That's kind of interesting. Anyways. Thanks for watching. I don't know, post some updates in the comment section or something after I've used this for a while to kind of let you guys know how well this works. I would imagine this would actually work a bit better and it would be able to find its charging place if I'd actually set it up proper instead of doing this on the countertop. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.